A warning has been issued connect all those who are supporting naudze Vision 2030 ma-constitutional amendments. Panguwa inoyi boya vachinzi ende munobvunza VP Constantino Chiwenga kuti supporting zvigananda, at the end of the day what will happen. Ndizarapita mashoko anobuda nyika panguwa inoyi achiratidza kuti aiwa timu reUnder 2030 they are taken from experience and they are urging each and everyone who is part and parcel of now the constitutional amendments, especially those who are actively involved in structuring, mobilizing, punctuating of supporter now the constitutional amendments. Vanzi, be warned. Zarapina mashoko mudanyo kwa panguwa inoyi neUnder 2030 zvikanaka don't subscribe or like or video icon. Zara nasa mudanyo chiti. Every responsible institution must stand up against these actions that are destabilizing this nation. He openly disrespects and violates our country's laws. I warn all those being used by him. He uses you, pays you off, and then eliminates your ones. You have served his purpose. Doma developments and West Kopanapa, the Under 2030 group. Chitara chita aiwa. Unofanda kuchenjerera just because these guys, they are very, very experienced and they know their things. They just use you. And you're expecting that maybe you are going to stay or you are going to earn trust from them, but they will never ever try to understand that consider, but they will just eliminate you after using you. And though my developments are pangwa in a warnings kune anyone especially from the Canada group who are pushing kuti aiwa ngazviite. Kuna comment section yedu mudzafungira email kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.